There's no limitations to how you can design and arrange your welding skid. I have welding skid prints on my website, www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. You can pick the horizontal or the vertical. This is actually the horizontal where the welder come here, or you can have a generator and separate it and have a toolbox. You can actually arrange the welding skid how you want to. I give you a layout and show you how to do it if you put in your reels or whatever, but you can actually lay it out however you want to. And that's the cool thing about the Hog-On Welding Skid. I made it for the independent grinder, the mobile welder, the field welder, the commercial welder that's out in the field, want to stay organized, want to be able to get to their equipment, jump back in, keep going. This is what the welding skid is for. You can use your personal truck. Like now I'm using it to do some personal things. I took it out. And when you get ready to jump back on the grind, slide it back in. So there's so many things you can do. But I really, really think it's a great asset to get the prints. Hold on.